Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your liked videos on YouTube all at once. Now it's pretty simple. Open up your YouTube app and click on You at the bottom right of your screen. And once you're over here, what you want to do is click on the setting icon at the top right. From over here, you want to choose Manage All History. Once you click on Manage All History, your Google account will open up. Now, whichever YouTube account you have linked on Google, that Google account will open up. From over here, you want to choose Interactions. And from inside Interactions, just choose Video Likes and Dislike. That is basically what all the liked videos are going to be stored. Click on it. Now, once you click on it, all the video which you have liked is going to show up over here. Now remember, there is not like a single button you can just click and all of this will be deleted, but the easiest way to do it is just click on this. So this is all the video which I have liked today. So instead of individually unliking them, what I can do is just click on cross right beside today and my entire liked video of today has been removed. Now if I do it for yesterday as well, all the liked video of yesterday has been removed as well. So if you keep on doing this, you can easily delete all your video day by day instead of individually doing it. This is the faster way, and that's the only way you guys can delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.